Okay, boys and girls, in my school, do not tamper with any of the fire alarms in the building. Don't do that. In my school, if you tamper with the fire alarms, you are going to get suspended from school, you are going to get expelled, and you are going to get arrested by the police. So, don't tamper with any of the fire alarms in my school. Don't pull them for fun, don't take them off the wall, don't paint them, don't smash them, don't take the strobe off of them, don't take the horn off of them, don't disable the horn or the strobe on them, don't adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on them, don't cut power to them. Don't do any of that. That is not good. Remember, if you break the alarm in my school, you are responsible for replacing it. The good thing about my school's fire alarms is that they have a sealed candela, so no one can mess with the candela on the alarm. And another good thing about my school's fire alarms is that they have a sealed tone, so no one can mess with the tone on the fire alarms in my school. My school has some Edwards EST Genesis fire alarms with the running man escaping from the fire image. Don't cross that image out on them, and also don't rip that image off of them. That is tampering. Don't tamper with our school's control panel or any other control systems for our fire alarm system. Don't tamper with any of the detectors. Don't tamper with the flow switches. Just leave the fire alarm system alone. It is there to protect students and teachers if there were ever a fire in the school. So it can't be played with. Also, never put your classwork on the fire alarm. Just leave our school's fire alarm system alone. Bye.